Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your brand new 2018 Toyota Sienna SE 8-passenger. Under the hood you'll find a 3.5 liter V6 cylinder engine and you'll be riding on top of 19-inch wheels. This unit is in the color Midnight Black. It is finished with a stunning dark charcoal perforated leather inside. Plus you have your Entune 3.0 app series, power sliding doors, and heated front seats for the ultimate driving comfort.
Helping you into your Sienna is your handy key fob. You have the lock, the unlock, as well as your power slide doors, your power liftgate, and your panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all four doors, press twice. Opening up that door now to take a look. So you see you have that chrome detailing on your handles, plus you have a nice sophisticated interior. You do have your power windows and your power locks on the side, finished with that leather trim, contrasting stitching, and you have that metallic trim as well. On the side you'll find your traction control and your power liftgate power. Then you have your all-weather floor mats for easy cleaning, and of course you need your power adjustable driver seats. You're driving away in the ultimate comfort. And check out the style put into your seats here, again with that contrasting white stitching to tie that elegance together. But why don't we hop on inside and start it up. Starting up your Sienna, simply put your foot on the brake there, the key in the ignition. That dashboard's gonna light up. You have your welcome screen on both your LCD screen plus your display here. With your display you do have your multi-information, which the menu, it can be changed and adjusted with your steering wheel mounted controls. You do have your Toyota safety sense features like your lane departure alert, your pre-collision system settings open right now, and with that you can turn on and off those alerts as well as set the sensitivity of those sensors. You also do have your volume control mode changers of voice command and hands-free calling mounted on this side, and this button here you'll find your dynamic radar cruise control, which is a distance keeping option as part of your Toyota safety sense. Your cruise control can be set from below your steering wheel. You also do have your automatic headlights, so you don't have to forget to turn them on. You also do have that leather wrapped steering wheel as well as that leather trim all across your dashboard as part of the quality you get in your Toyota Sienna. And taking a look at your LCD screen now, you can see that you have your applications button on this side, which opens up your Entune 3.0 app suite, which includes apps like your Scout GPS as well as your Slacker and NPR Radio. You have your weather and traffic updates, all synced from your phone to keep you nice and connected. Turning on your audio system now, you have your AM FM radio. You also have your Sirius XM radio as well as your CD player on top, Bluetooth audio, USB, and auxiliary input, so you can bring your music wherever you go. Now shifting into reverse, you'll see that you have your backup camera to keep you and everyone nice and safe. It's a clear format, modern styling, very easy to read as well. Adding to that modern styling, you have your tri-zone climate control with that digital display. You have the option to sync all three areas. Your rear passengers also do have their climate control panel so that they can handle that themselves. And you have that electronic automatic climate control for convenience. You have your sport drive mode with a stylish shift knob, and below you'll find your heated seats for both your driver and your passenger side, perfect for those cold Alberta winters. You also have your USB auxiliary input plus your 12-volt DC charger, some additional cup holders because sometimes you'll need that extra cup of coffee. You have your media storage, some open storage below. You have your ambient lighting inside your cup holders, and in your center console plenty of space to store everything that you need. And to keep everybody else nice, their media nice and charged up, you have your 2 USB charging plus a 120-volt AC plug-in. Speaking of storage, you also do have your dashboard storage compartment on the top, finished with that leather trim, and you have your glove box with all the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your Sienna, plus there's a lock for keeping everything nice and safe. Plenty of stylish and functional features built right into your Sienna, but why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo.
Here we are at the back cargo area of your Sienna. To activate that power liftgate, simply hold that button on your fob there and it'll pop open for you. A great convenience feature to have, especially if you have your hands full. Right now you have your third row seating installed so you can fit up to 8 passengers in the back here. You also do have your bucket style cargo area so you can store everything. Plus you have your bag hooks so your groceries aren't rolling around. On the side here you can store your 8 passenger seat so that you have more space for whoever's sitting in the rear, and your third row seating stows away nice and easy because the instructions are right on the back. So why don't we take a look at the cargo. Stowing that third row seating now, check out all that space that's available to you in the back of your Sienna. Your rear passenger seats also completely removed in case you need to carry any larger items in the back. You also do have your cargo lamp for visibility, plus your 12-volt DC charger. To reactivate that power liftgate, simply press that button up there. It'll roll down for you. You can also get it to come down with your key fob. You have your rear windshield wiper hidden underneath. You also do have your backup camera standard to help you in and out of those tight spots. You have your tools and jack inside your cargo area. You have your skid plate and you have your spare tire storage underneath your Sienna, tying everything together at the back of your SE. Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota Sienna SE 8-passenger V6. Built right into your Sienna is your Toyota safety sense features like your lane departure alert and your pre-collision system to keep you and everything important to you nice and safe. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.